Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Bogosian, and I think this right here just might be the best townhome floor plan I have ever seen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 reasons why. Come on, let's go check it out. The number one reason I love this Biltmore floor plan is that the primary bedroom is on the main level. The bedroom's 13 by 14. It features wood flooring. There's 2 windows letting in plenty of natural light, a ceiling fan, nice crown molding, and then the bathroom is just absolutely stunning. You've got a double vanity with just tons of counter space, lots of drawers and cabinets to put your stuff. There's a beautiful tiled shower with a frameless glass door. The Biltmore is such a great plan, and I think the number one reason is that this primary bedroom is downstairs. All right, y'all, the second thing I absolutely love about the Biltmore is this bonus room right here. Most townhomes only have a little living room area downstairs and no bonus room. This townhome does. This is the perfect space too. You can really utilize it in a couple different ways. Plenty of room here. I think this is huge. When you are in a townhome, a lot of people generally feel that they're going to be stuffed in and there's not going to be enough space and they're going to be on top of each other. But when you have a second area to set up a TV and couch, this is huge for parents and for people that are married that just want to kind of get a little separation every now and then. I think this is really nice. And then over here in the corner, there's actually walk-in storage, and it's pretty big. Most townhomes don't have walk-in storage like that. And yes, there's still a pull-down attic, so you've got a little room up there as well. I don't know, guys, this is just, to me, really awesome to have. We've got the primary bedroom down and a bonus room up here. That is just awesome. The third thing that I love about this floor plan is this entire main living area right here on the first floor. Way down there at the entrance, you've got the living room area. It is a really good sized room. As you walk this way, you walk into the kitchen right here. Once again, I mean, the island is huge. You can fit 4 bar stools. It's a really pretty kitchen. I love these lights hanging right here. Beautiful cabinets. And then right where you're standing, you get into the dining room area. Plenty of space here to put like a 48-inch round table with 4 or 5 chairs around it. So just a really nice flow to this downstairs. They did a great job utilizing the space in the Biltmore floor plan. In fact, speaking of space, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,925 square foot townhome. It's pretty amazing. To me, this is better than a lot of the homes that I show in this price range. The fourth thing that I absolutely love about this Biltmore townhome is the fact that there are 6 windows on this wall right here down on the main living area. You see, the Biltmore is an end unit townhome, so you don't have another townhome attached to this wall. So because of that, they can put this whole wall of windows right here. And I can tell you right now, it makes a huge difference in the amount of natural light coming into this space compared to one of those interior units. I've seen in the past, these end units generally have higher demand when they come up to sell. They're thought of to be a little bit more premium, and these windows right here in the natural light is definitely one of the reasons why. All right, y'all, the 5th and final reason that I love the Biltmore floor plan kind of ties into number 4, and that's the fact that it's a end unit townhome and you don't actually have another townhome attached to this side. So because of that, you get so much space in between your townhome and the next building over. In fact, it is a huge difference when you get out of your car in your driveway. You're not gonna have a driveway on each side of you. You don't really feel like stuffed in. You just have this yard over here, and this is most likely green space, but still, it is absolutely huge. I'm telling you guys, the end unit Biltmore townhomes sell for a premium, and they have much more demand for them, and this is one of the reasons why. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent right here in Thompson Station. If you like this Biltmore townhome right now, it is available for sale. I'll leave all the details and a link to the listing with the price and pictures in the description below. And if you're thinking about making the move here to Tennessee and you'd like to jump on a call with me, I'll leave a link to my calendar down below so you can choose a time that works best for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.